Hey you guys, so it's been a while since I did a car confessional. So you know I've been sick. It is a sinus thing, draining from my nose, down my throat, coughing, like that. Coughing a lot less than I did on half a day Thursday, and I was out Saturday. Pretty much stayed in bed all weekend, out for Carrie's birthday. If I'm sick, like contagious, I wouldn't be at work. But I'm taking over the counter stuff, and it's actually helping me. And my coughing is less, still there, my nose is running, but people are complaining on me that I'm coughing. Instead of asking me how I'm doing, they go to my boss, complain to her. She pulls me in her office to tell me, if you're sick, go home, get a doctor's note. If you're worried about your job, anything like that, talk to HR, make her do FMLA. I keep on telling her there's a sinus infection or allergy, but my eyes are not watering, so I don't think it's allergies. But yeah, why can't people just come up to me and be like, hey Cindy, are you feeling any better? What's going on? Instead of going to my boss. I don't get it. You know, if I think somebody's sick, as has happened, I go to them like, are you okay? What's going on? Yeah. Go to my boss, be like, hey, so-and-so's coughing a lot. It just seems pretty childish, I guess. I mean, I've been there for almost 2 years. I'm not confrontational type personality, and I don't know, just people cough like that. See, I've gone like 5 minutes without coughing. I don't know. I'm not going to go into all that. So there is another situation going on, but I'm not going to go run to my boss and be like, hey, this is going on and on, because it's more like a tattletale type thing. I mean, if that was an issue, it would be cleared up themselves with management or whatever. I don't know. I'm just finding it very interesting with the dynamics of an LLC company. Definitely different. I don't know who they are. I could kind of figure it out, but I'm not going to worry about it because I'm only there to do my job. It's not a volunteer job. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day. I am going to go into Michael's, a double-sided tape, because I have a planner that I need to start planning on. So, yeah. Scotch tape with numbers for measurements. Got this box to put all my planner stuff in, because they're kind of like all over the table now in my bedroom. So yeah, and okay, and so I also got this sign. It was 50% off, normally $6.99. Love it. And I got double-sided tape. I'll probably order some more on Amazon. And I got budget stickers. Yeah, I'm trying to get stuff out of debt, and so I could also pay for school. So, yeah. And know when school starts, and not start a week later, because it definitely makes a huge impact. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm rambling on. But yeah, that's what I got from Michael's, and it was hard not to buy anything else. I went in there just for double-sided tape. But anyways, it'll be used. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.